Moved to Colorado, they said. Mild temperatures, they said. It is hot. It's hot today. But anyways, what was I going to talk about in this video? Oh, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about why I've stopped reading books on strategies and tactics, and yeah, that's it. If you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about why I stopped reading books on strategies and tactics when it came to my business. I actually was watching a video, or I looked at a post, I don't remember, and this gentleman posted a post about reading books about motivation and ambition, and like being on this, like thinking the same way that everyone else is thinking because everyone is reading those books, right? And I thought that was interesting. It was a really interesting way to look at the books that you select to read. And I was actually contemplating on how I choose books now at this point, because I definitely am very selective on the books that I do read. So let me introduce myself. If you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner. I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, which outfit is the metaphor for your reality and or experience. I'm also the CEO of the Censored Apparel brand, and we believe in being bold, being loud, and being confident. So I've always loved entrepreneurship. I've always loved business. I actually have a degree in business, and you know, and it's something that I've always loved. I've always loved business ever since I was a little girl. I even talk about it in my book, like when people were playing with dolls and, you know, dreaming about their wedding and whatever they were doing as kids, I was playing businesswoman. I was calculating how much money I was going to make, what business I was going to have. I had my little like briefcase, and I actually was like being a newscaster and things like that. And so I've always had this ultra passion for business. And so I've studied business. Like I said, I went to college for business, and you know, it's interesting because I've done things on my channel about the subconscious mind and how someone in their business can implement strategies and tactics in their business, and another person can do the same strategies and tactics and not see success, and the other person sees success. So what is the difference there? And going down my journey of spirituality and going through my own spiritual awakening has opened my mind up to a different way of thinking, and actually taking control of my life and business as well. And I think that's important, that there's not really a distinction when it comes to manifesting and taking control back of your life, and you know, because your business can be part of your life. So I wanted to talk about that. I have resonated with the teachings of Neville Goddard that talk about living in the end and seeing your vision in your mind's eye and living in the end. Now, typically when you have that vision and you are trying to manifest something, there's a bridge of incidences that typically occur. That do occur. I don't know why I said typically, but do occur. And so for different people, these bridge of incidences look different for them. And so I'm not saying that you can't will yourself into a successful business. You can't will yourself into, and by will, I mean having willpower and working really hard and grinding and hustling and all that stuff that they say. It's very, very possible that that can happen. However, I just am a fan of doing things easier and letting things naturally progress in a way that is of ease and harmony. And so for me, when I see successful people, I like to know the success. I also like to know their journey as well. But I think that it's important for us to understand that that's their specific journey, that everyone's journey might look different. And so that's their bridge of incidences. And so I really come from a place of more of like intention when it comes to business. So it's hard for me to be, well, I'm going to read this book on strategies or how to think and, you know, those kind of things, because that might have worked for someone, but it might not work for me, because that was actually their bridge of incidences that led them to the success or the manifestation of their successful business. And so for me, I don't, like I said, I don't read books at this point in my life on strategies and tactics. For me, it's coming from a place of being intentional and a mindset. And so I read books, and one book that I really, really enjoy that I would definitely suggest if you're looking to bring in abundance into your life. And I can say that now that I'm thinking a certain way, that even meeting certain goals in my own business has been much easier than it had been before when I was studying strategies and tactics and all of those things. And so where was I? Oh, the book. The book. It's called The Science of Getting Rich by, I think it's Wallace. It's called The Science of Getting Rich, but it's a really, really great book that helps you overcome some limiting beliefs when it comes to success, one. And I think it's important for us to come from a place of power and creation versus like, let me just copycat someone's tactics. That could work, and I'm not saying it can't. It can work, but I just want to come from a place of ease. I've done things in the past, and things have worked in the past, but it also led me to burnout, and we don't like burnout. I don't know of anyone that wants to hustle and grind every single day and be unfulfilled in certain aspects of their life, whether it's their love life or family or whatever like that. So that's where I come from, and that's why I don't typically read books on strategies and tactics, and I'm more so geared towards being intentional, manifesting in your mindset, and keeping your thoughts clear, even though that is definitely hard. I'm finding, like, today was a day. Today was a day, but it's good because I'm learning and I'm overcoming, and I think that's important. Awareness is always the first step when it comes to wanting to do whatever you want in life, like especially when it comes to your mindset. So I just wanted to share that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, and that's all for this video. It's hot. It is hot. Anyways, I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.